Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 24th of August. And first of all, national news. I reach my destination, Chandrayaan 3 after touchdown. Vikram lander touchdown at 6:04 p.m. on Wednesday, August 23. India became first nation to land spacecraft near Moon's South Pole. Chandrayaan 3, India has become the fourth country to achieve a soft landing on the moon. New history has been written. PM Modi as Chandrayaan 3 lands on moon. Great moment. Pakistan ex-minister praised Chandrayaan's successful landing. LCA Tejas fighter jet successfully test fires Astra beyond visual range missile. Two planes were 1.8 km apart. Alerted women pilots saved over 300 lives in Delhi. Now international news. Airport in France to be renamed after Queen Elizabeth II. Norway opened world's biggest floating wind park. Russian strike destroyed 270,000 tons of grain in a month. Ukraine. And BRICS summit. Putin's justified war with Ukraine. Amid buzz around Tesla, Elon Musk looks forward to visiting India. India took lead in forging consensus over expansion of BRICS, a report said. US imposed visa sanctions on China officers forcing assimilation of Tibet children. Now some sports news. World Athletics Championship. Jasmine Aldrin qualified for maiden long jump finals. Murli Srishankar suffers stroke exit. Shreyas Iyer thanked NCA staff following return from injury to Asia Cup squad. Stephen Fleming, James Foster, Ian Bell joined New Zealand's coaching staff ahead of World Cup. India women beat England 6-2, finished third in Junior Four Nations tournament. Women's Asian Hockey Fives World Cup qualifier, India to face Malaysia in opener. Sports Ministry cleared Bajrang Deepak Punia's proposals for foreign training. ICC ODI World Cup, India to play warm-up games versus England, Netherlands. Shubman Gill reached 4th spot in ODI batting rankings. Now news related to business. Qatar Investment Authority to invest Rs 8,278 crore in Reliance Retail. Adani Group posts record quarterly profit in boost to liquidity. We converted red tape into red carpet. PM Modi at BRICS business meet. Now news related to science. Chandrayaan 3 attempted a soft landing on the moon's south pole. Chandrayaan 3 moon landing. ISRO scripted history as India became first to land on lunar south pole. And that's all in news. Thank you.